ladder. I don't know if I'm spacing it back.
I'll try and keep walking and not trip on a root
Or a rattlesnake.
or a rattlesnake. I think Bill's back there somewhere. Fantastic day out in the woods today. Very peaceful and serene out here. Lots of birds. Pileated woodpecker drumming. And very few hikers out today. But it's been a wonderful day to be out here in the woods, and I've enjoyed my hike with my fellow hikers Bill and Z. Well, here we are back at the beginning. We came down that quarter-mile steep, but don't worry, there were plenty of uphills along the way. And we're glad to be through with our long 5-mile trail.